A freshly updated Volkswagen Polo Vivo with styling enhancement, equipment upgrades and improved safety features has been launched in South Africa since arriving in 2010 as a replacement for the beloved Citi Golf. The Polo Vivo has been a sales success story for Volkswagen. It's consistently ranked among the nation's top-selling passenger cars. The success of the Polo Vivo is rooted in the engineering prowess of the previous gen Polo, a proven and highly regarded product. Unsurprisingly, used Volkswagen Polos are in high demand in South Africa. The Polo Vivo is therefore an important model for Volkswagen Group Africa. It's one that the German firm is immensely proud of, and rightfully so. The Polo Vivo is built in South Africa for South Africa and is also exported to other African countries such as Kenya, Namibia, Botswana, Mozambique and Mauritius. Since 2010, the Polo Vivo, of which iteration was based on the previous Gen Polo model, has ranked up more than 425,000 sales over 14 years. With numerous special editions, Polo Vivos coming to market. Remember the first gen Polo Vivo Street or the Polo Vivo City, a homage to the original Citi Golf. The current second generation Volkswagen Polo Vivo comes to market in 2018. It's based on the 5th generation Polo and is built alongside the 6th generation Polo in the Eastern Cape. To enhance the Polo Vivo and further entice local buyers, Volkswagen has launched this thoroughly updated model that ushers in refreshed styling, enhanced safety kit as well as interior improvement. Importantly, Volkswagen has not increased pricing for this updated Polo Vivo, which should come as a welcome relief for cash-strapped customers in South Africa. Let's look at what exactly has changed in the latest VW Polo Vivo. The first major change for the Volkswagen Polo Vivo is seen in its naming convention, which now include the entry grade Vivo replace trend, mid-spec Vivo Life replace comfort, high-spec Vivo Style replace Highline, and range-topping GT remain the same. In terms of aesthetic, Volkswagen has reversed the Polo Vivo's bumpers and updated the hatchback's grille and headlamps designed to create a sharper, sportier look. The lower grille section now features wider horizontal ribs, flanked by new boomerang trim elements inspired by those of Polo GTI. Note how the rounded headlamps has been replaced with more squared off units. They give the Polo Vivo an edgier look. Onlookers might even mistake the Polo Vivo GT for the Polo GTI, which is a good thing. Note that front fog lights and cornering lights are now standard on all Polo Vivo derivatives. The Polo Vivo package is furthermore enhanced the new wheels design for each trim grade. Inside, the biggest change is the fitment of a new enlarged 9-inch mega touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto functionality, which is standard equipment across the entire Polo Vivo range. The center of the instrument cluster has also been updated. The new infotainment system marks a major improvement over the rather basic composition radio it replaces. Not all does the system fit the interior ambience to a more modern level, but its easy to use menu interface, which is similar to that of the modern smartphone, is sure to be a hit with local buyers. Volkswagen has also taken the initiative to improve the safety credentials of the Polo Vivo, and it has done so by adding electronic stability control ESC and a tire monitoring system to all Polo Vivo derivatives. Moreover, passenger seat belt recognition is now standard, while the base Vivo and Life derivative are equipped with 2 front airbags. Volkswagen has upped the airbag counter to 4 on the Style and GT derivative. The fitment of front side airbag, which are located in the variant sporty front seat. As a matter of fact, now seat features throughout the 2024 Polo Vivo range, plus they are clad in fresh closed upholstery design that differentiate trim grades from each other. Mechanically speaking, there are no changes to the engine and transmission on offer in the range. The familiar 55 kilowatts 130 newtons meter of torque and 63 kilowatts 132 newtons meter of torque 1.4 liter paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, and 77 kilowatts 153 newtons meter of torque 1.6 liter paired with a 5-speed manual or 6-speed automatic transmission. Naturally aspirated engine are carried over, while the range topping 1 liter turbo petrol engine with 81 kilowatts and 200 newtons meter of torque paired with a 6-speed manual transmission continues to serve in the Polo GT. The 2024 Polo Vivo is sold with a 3-year 120,000 kilometer general and 6-year anti-corrosion warranty. Volkswagen has also added a 5-year 150,000 kilometer engine warranty, but a service plan remains optional. This represents the most significant update that has been applied to the second generation Volkswagen Polo Vivo to date, and with a model's 15th birthday coming up in 2025, we couldn't be surprised if Volkswagen Group Africa introduced a new special edition derivative to celebrate the milestone. While the styling changes are welcome, the infotainment system upgrade perhaps the feature that local buyers will appreciate the most, along with these much needed safety upgrades, ESP and additional airbags. All for the same price as Volkswagen Group Africa charges for the pre-facelift derivative. Volkswagen Group Africa recognize the importance of Polo Vivo in the local market, and courage-based firm is sensitive and sympathetic to the plight of budget-sensitive car buyers. The decision to keep the Polo Vivo pricing unchanged should be applauded, with the current Gen Polo expected sold on units until the end of the decade. The locally built hatch will continue to serve South Africa and other markets. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Support local YouTube. From me to you, I will see you next time. Drive safe.